Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Thursday. Can't use thunderous. It's going to be beautiful outside today, according to Mr. Bob Harlan's weather report. Trumpeter's Thursday. Yeah. Whatever. Yesterday, the culinary expedition continued in the Netherlands. I'm not going to attempt the name of the dish, but it translates to Dutch sausage rolls. It was good. I added some herbs to it. I did some research on the herb and spice profile for the Netherlands. It's actually quite extensive. So I added some stuff. They'll be added to the recipe in the notes that I did. I hope you enjoyed last night's presentation video. Yeah. It's actually, the dish is quite simple. It's good. I gave it a 4 stars though. Yeah, I can't give it a 5. But I will get the recipe up to you. Today, this is a simple one. It's kind of almost, no, it's not. It's not a repeat. It's repeat in a couple incidences. Today I'm doing coconut curry chicken and sweet potato Poutine fries. You know me and red sweet potatoes. I love them. All right, let's get to it. Simple hardware today. Sheet pan for the fries and a saute pan for the rest of it. Got some boneless, skinless chicken thigh, kosher salt, black pepper, a small red sweet potato, red curry paste. This is a new red curry paste I'm trying out. It's from Super X Market in Linda. So a little bit of butter, some coconut milk, some flour. It calls for cheese curds. I can't find them here in Northern California. So I'm just going to use some cheese and some stuff that I have on hand, and a green onion for garnish. So as you can see, it's a real simple meal. I'm probably going to add a few things to this. Garlic, fresh ginger, and we'll see what else I have in the cold box to add. And if I do add stuff, I will, of course, put it in the notes. This caught my eye a few weeks ago, and yeah, I think it's going to be fun. So on this Trumpeter's Thursday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.